Hi there and welcome to another video. My name is Paul Willems and in this video we are going to talk about landing pages. What does it take for you to get the best landing pages for your website? Enjoy watching this video. So let's take a look at the landing pages of Google Ads. So first of all, what is a landing page? As you can see on the top screen here, there's an ad. The ads and landing pages are in Dutch because I could not find a better landing page in English. So that's why I'm using the Dutch example. But still, you can. It's easy to see why it is so good. So as you can see, here's an ad because there's this icon ad. And if you press the hyperlink, you will be transferred to this landing page. And a good landing page, that means more conversion. So a landing page must be trusted, it must be convincing, and there must be a possibility to make really easy and really quick a conversion. So I've chosen this landing page, and this landing page is about saving costs on your energy bill. So the website is trying to get you from your energy provider to another cheaper energy provider. There are a lot of convincing stories on this landing page. So why is this landing page so good? So first of all, the text needed to match with the ad. And as you can see, there is some text in the ad here that you can find also in the landing page. On the landing page, you see 1,500 euros, 1,500 euros. And there's the word energy, and it should be somewhere. Here's also the word energy. So lots of words in the ads. You can find them also on the landing page. There's a logo of a branch organization, and that creates trust. And that's really, really important because if you see, well, they are connected to this branch organization, it must be good. The call to action button is really, really good visible. It's in the middle of the screen. It is colored red, and it's just easy to click on. There's only two clear words. That's the logo here and the submit button. So it's easy to press it. And it's entirely easy to make a conversion because this form, you only have to fill in your email address and press the send button. And the entries of this form are really clear to this company because they know it's coming from this website, and they will send immediately automatic an email back and ask you, well, would you like to join us? There's an instruction video. So if you want to have more information, there's a clear video who explains it all, and the video looks really nice. And what I like so much about this video, it's really multicultural, the people who are on it. So all the people can identify with this program. There's a chat box on the bottom of the screen. So if you need more help, you can click the chat box and you can ask questions. And of course, they work you into a conversion. You see a lot of success stories here already. And if you see that all these people have transferred from their energy provider to the new energy provider already, and if you see what they have saved, this amount of money, it's more easy for you to make a conversion. There's a little bit of a scarcity, so it's one of the Cialdini's principles. You have only 22 days to change from your energy provider to a low-cost energy provider, so be quick. You can see that there's over 1 million consumers already working with this program. Everybody's in, so please be quick and join the club. The positive points, the plus points, are pointed out here in bullets. Bullets are always easy to read. You can scan it really easily. As you can see, there are actually no distracting menus. So there are only two menus: login, who will nobody use, or if you have questions, you probably will end up just the same questions as here. So the entire page is built for making a conversion. So a good landing page, higher up in Google for ads, but if you have also a good landing page for SEO, you will get also higher in Google Ads. So make sure that your meta title and your meta description really fits your page always, and make sure that your advertisements really fits your landing page. So what does Google say? And if we got the support page of Google, Google says always, well, offer relevant, useful, and original content on your page. So if you're on your page, people are not that happy to make a conversion. You have to convince them. Make sure your landing page connects directly to your ads and your keywords. So never ever redirect a visitor to your homepage from where they have to go to the conversion page. That never works. So always make sure your visitor directly clicks to your conversion page and makes the conversion over there. Openly share information about your company and clearly indicate what your company is doing. So be smart, be honest, that's important. Don't bother potential customers with pop-ups or other features that will interfere with your site's navigation. So if a potential customer is getting bored, is getting annoyed, he will walk away. And really, really important, reduce the loading time of your landing page. If you pay a lot for a advertisement and this visitor will come to your landing page, and from your landing page, and it has to wait for about 20 seconds to load for your landing page, it will be gone. So reduce the loading time of your landing page. If a visitor will click from an ad to your landing page and it will take more than 10-15 seconds to load the page, the visitor will be gone. So all important information in a row. Make sure this will be on your landing page. No or minimal navigation. Apply the persuasion principles of Cialdini. Make a short conversion form. So only an email will be the best, just like in this example. Make sure your text matches with your ad. Use a powerful call to action. So start saving or something. Make a clear send button. So with no images on it, with plain text in a red or a green color. Use bullet points. It's always easy to read bullet points. And use honest information. Be clear about what you're doing. And all information should be above the fold. So that means that the visitor does not have to scroll to get to the information. Place not too much text, and if the reader wants to have more text, that's allowed to get it under the fold. But above the fold, not too much text. Reduce the loading time, so make sure your page loads at least within 3-4 seconds. Must be possible with just one page, and be relevant. Give the reader exactly the information that he or she is looking for. So, if you follow all these rules, you will be able to make a perfect landing page. This was the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.